What's one of the most overlooked and most needed upgrades you can do to your vehicle? Your headlights and taillights. Don't settle for anything less than the best. Now roll that beautiful headlight footage. Introducing Morimoto's XB headlights and taillights. These are available for a wide variety of trucks, cars, and SUVs. Today we will be going over their Ford Super Duty XB LED headlights. These headlights feature a quad projector optic, meaning there are 4 separate projectors in each headlight. These provide outstanding performance, producing 2600 lumens each and produce a beam pattern far superior to even the factory LED lights. Speaking of bright, these headlights feature an insanely bright LED daytime running light and turn signals that surround the entire housing. The turn signals can be ran in a distinctive sequential pattern or can be wired to run in a simple on-off pattern. Not only do these lights outperform almost every other light on the road, they're also made for some of the highest quality materials available. And did I mention they're plug and play? So when you're ready for some quality headlights, give us a call because Meyer has it.